If you enjoy engineering, I got the place for you if you're looking to play. I'm here at the unveiling of igus's Enjoyneering Tech Center here in Detroit, Michigan. This stuff is awesome. This is all about play, learning, hands-on, engineers getting after it and getting into it. That's the reason that igus started this. That's the reason that they are trying to get their products in the hands of customers so they can actually see and understand how this gets their solutions to their facility on the floor and get things running.
Welcome to the igus Enjoyneering Center. And as Mike prepared me so nice, it's not a typo, we did that on purpose. Enjoyneering really is our idea of bringing engineers and our customers in a room, play with our materials, our products, to get an appreciation for what you can actually do with motion plastics and all the things we do. Most of the team members that are here spent the last 10 months really taking an empty office building and creating what you see now. So first and foremost, thank you very much for everybody that was involved in making this happen. It's probably not the only facility of its kind that we're going to open in the US, but it's the first one that we have, and hopefully you guys get a lot of use out of it. With that being said, we're actually going to do an official ribbon cutting, I was told, with very, very big scissors. Where am I supposed to do this? Who's there? Enjoyneering Center on 1, 2, 3. There you go. This is something that's really near and dear to our heart. Hang out, play with our stuff. And if you ever want to hold a big purple pair of scissors, here's your chance.
Here's your chance.
Thank you.